The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. Many reports of an unknown creature roaming around the entire planet. This creature has been identified as Sonia the Wolf. It is believed that Sonia the Wolf will end the entire world within the next 20 minutes. There is no way to stop this situation. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather with your family and loved ones, and prepare for the end. May God bless us all. This station will sign off for the last time with the national anthem.